A measure is a DAX formula that calculates a value on demand in the filter context of whatever visual is asking. Measures are the workhorse of Power BI. Most of your KPIs will be measures. They are not stored in the model. They're computed when a visual renders. They respect the filters, slicers, and rows of the visual asking for the value. One measure works everywhere: total sales on a card, by month on a chart, by region on a map. Measure name equals aggregation. Expression: total sales equals sum sales, amount. Order count equals COUNTROWS sales. Average order equals divide total sales, order count. Distinct customers equals distinct count sales, customer ID. Sum, average, min, max, count, COUNTROWS, distinct count. SUMX, AVERAGEX iterators that evaluate an expression row by row, then aggregate. Real KPIs combine several measures, build them in layers. Total sales equals sum sales, amount. Total cost, SUMX, cost. Profit, total sales, total cost. Margin percent equals divide profit, total sales. This makes measures readable and reusable. Put them in a dedicated measures table, an empty table just for housing them. Use display folders in the properties pane to group related measures. Always format measures, currency, percent, thousand separators, so they look correct in every visual. Create total revenue measures. Total sales equals sum sales, amount, format as currency. Orders equals COUNTROWS sales, format as whole number. Average order value equals divide total sales. Orders currency. Drag total sales onto a card, then onto a column chart by month, same measure, two contexts.